2026 is shaping up to be a very decisive year for Indian investors. AI is getting industrialized, discretionary consumption is back in focus, FMCG consolidation is rising, and equity markets face global headwinds. Today, I'll break down the most important insights from Financial Express and what they mean for Indian stock market investors. Bar graph segment 1. Big market themes for 2026 020 to 230. Theme #1. Discretionary consumption is back. According to HSBC Mutual Fund CEO Kailash Kulkarni, the key theme for 2026 will be discretionary consumption. What does this mean? Urban demand stabilizing, rural recovery improving, credit growth still intact, premiumization trend continuing, upward trend stocks sectors to watch, auto or auto ancillaries, consumer durables, retail or QSR, select FMCG premium brands. Segment 2 ratio 2026 equals industrialization of AI 230 to 430. L&T Infotech CEO says, 2026 will be defined by the industrialization of AI. This is big. AI is moving from cross-mark experiments, check-mark real business deployment, beneficiaries in India, its services AI-led deal wins. Engineering or industrial automation, data centers or cloud infra, electronics manufacturing, Pushpin Investor Insight. This is not a hype cycle, this is CapEx Jor productivity driven growth. Karkhana segment 3, FMCG or D2C acquisitions trend 430 to 608 lok. FMCG companies are aggressively acquiring D2C brands. Why? Slowing volume growth, premium margin expansion, digital-first consumers. Bar graph expect valuations to remain disciplined, more M&A activity. Focus on profitable brands. Pushpin mid-cap or small-cap FMCG could be acquisition targets. Bank segment 4, credit or banking update 608 lok to 730. Key points. Home loan growth slowing, personal credit facing stress, rising delinquencies in unsecured loans. But, corporate credit demand steady, infra or capex-led lending intact. Pushpin investor takeaway, prefer large, well-capitalized banks or select NBFCs with strong underwriting. Prithvi segment 5, global headwinds or equity markets 730 to 908 lok. Without reforms, 2026 could be another damp squib for equities. Concerns. Global growth uncertainty. High interest rates longer than expected. Geopolitical tensions. But positives for India. Checkmark capex cycle alive. Checkmark manufacturing push. Checkmark AI Jor infra synergy. Pushpin India remains a relative outperformer. Segment 6. Infra or capex story 908 lok to 1008 lok. New airport every 50 days. 5,000 crore rupee cargo infra investment Noida. Strong government spending despite fiscal caution. Upward trend infra, logistics or EPC stocks remain long-term winners. Segment 7. What should investors do in 2026? 1008 lok to 1130. Smart strategy for 2026. Checkmark focus on themes, not tips. Checkmark blend large cap stability with mid cap growth. Checkmark avoid leveraged low quality stories. Checkmark track earnings, not narratives. Top themes to track: discretionary consumption, AI or digital infrastructure, manufacturing or capex, logistics or energy transition. Bell outro 1130 to 1208 lok. 2026 will reward patient, theme-based investors, not traders chasing noise. If you found this breakdown useful, thumbs up ka chinha, like the video. Outgoing mail share with fellow investors. bell subscribe for daily Indian market insights. See you in the next video.